Hi everyone, this is how to apply your lashes, and today I'm using these lashes from Salon Perfect. I bought this in Walmart and it was a 5-pack, and it comes with instruction on the back. The 5 pairs and one free bonus one, so it was 6 total. So the first thing I did was I cut them because they're too long, and now when I cut them I put the pieces aside where I can do individual lashes. And after I measured the lashes on my lash line to make sure I have the right size. If it's not the right size, then I go ahead and I clip off some of it. Some of these lashes can be very long or very wide, so I tend to, and I have very small eyes, so I tend to have to clip off a little end of them each time I apply it. Now the funny thing about this is that I never knew how to do my lashes. I could always do my makeup perfect, but I could never get lashes correct, and someone came and just showed me one time how to apply it, and after that I just got it down. And I was like, why was I scared? You know, it was so easy. So like I said, normally what I do is that I try it on my eyes to make sure that it's at the right length I want, and after I cut it I just kind of bend to reshape to give it that kind of new shape. And I'm using this dual glue, and it's in dark black. And when you buy these glue and open them, they tend to dry up in the package, so sometimes you have to clear it with something like needle, or right here I'm using a tweezer to just pick out the dry glue that's covering the opening, as you can see. So I'm just kind of opening, trying to get the glue out. Yes, that happens sometimes. I have to be careful. So I'm just gonna try and wipe it off because my wall is white and everything is white. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and there's some on my nail, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it onto the lash line, the strip, and then I'm gonna apply some extra glue to that. And when you apply your glue, just go ahead and make sure that you put enough on there but not too much, and give it a few minutes to dry. Normally I blow on my lashes, and if you're doing this for a client, you do not want to blow on them because that's contamination. So just go ahead and blow on them until the glue start turning dark black to a darker shade, and then you know it becomes very sticky. It's become gooey, and it will sit better on your eyelash. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna apply, just let it dry a little bit more so we can apply the lash to my eyes. Just blow a little bit more. It's taking longer than usual, but you want to make sure that it's well sticky, you know, and tacky before you apply it, otherwise it's just gonna fall off. By the way, the one thing I've done is my eyebrows, so you know I'm in the process. So I just go ahead and apply the lashes like you would an airplane or a chopper, and just set it right there on top of my to adjust how I want lashes to be. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna apply the next one to my eye. I'll just clip the excess lash, and when you're clipping it, always look for the end that have a little, the bigger end to clip from, not from the inner crease, but from the outer end to cut from. So I'm doing the same thing that I did before. I'm shaping the lashes after I cut it to give it that curve, and then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to apply my glue, allow my glue to get tacky and sticky so it can sit on top of my lash line. And one thing with this glue is after you finish using it, if it's your own personal glue, I recommend that you blow into the opening to help clear any bubble that's inside it that can cause it to lock. I'm still messing with this one because for me it's never really ever completely perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply this one the same way I did the other one, and just gonna set it on there like I said, like it would land a helicopter. If you watch, sometimes I hold my eye down because I have the other eye. So you're just gonna set it right on your lash line right there. And you just adjust it according to how you like it. That's it right there. Just adjust it, and that's pretty much it right there, lovelies. If you have a question and you want to know how to apply these lashes, just let me know. And excuse my white ends, I was using bleach and